Hi there, students. Wag. To wag as a verb. Also, you can have to waggle as a verb as well. And a wag as a noun. And maybe even waggish as well as an adjective. Okay, let me look at this. To wag, the most common meaning of this is to move from side to side. So, particularly the dog's tail wagged. You've seen a dog's tail when it's happy, it wags from side to side. Yeah, so the dog was happy and wagging its tail at me. The teacher wagged his finger at me. No, 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 don't do that. Okay, so to move rapidly and repeatedly from side to side. Yeah, his head wagged from side to side. Okay, and that's the most common meaning of it. We often use it in the phrase wagging tongues, people gossiping. Yeah, so I don't know. The latest scandal has got everybody's tongue wagging. Literally, yeah, the tongue is wagging, moving from side to side. Yeah, and then okay, to wag it. This is also possible, but to me not very common. To play truant, to be absent from school without permission. I think this usage is particularly northern UK and Australian. Yeah, so yeah, very often when I was at school, I used to wag it and go off and play in the park. Yeah, I didn't like school much. And then finally, a wag is somebody who's funny, somebody who likes to make jokes. So yeah, this guy is a real wag. Yeah, he's always telling jokes. He's very waggish. Yeah, he's always telling jokes about everything. Oh, and one other meaning as well. A wag can be the wife of a girlfriend of somebody who's famous, particularly a famous sports player. Yeah. So there goes David Beckham and his wag. That you can also use as well. Okay, so to wag, the dog was wagging its tail from side to side. Yeah, don't wag your finger at me like that. Yeah, he's such a wag. He's so funny. He always makes me laugh. Yeah, I'm sick of all these tongues wagging about me and what I'm doing. Yeah, I wish they'd keep themselves to themselves. Did you ever wag it from school? Did you ever play truant from school? And yeah, there's Messi's wag. There you go. There you go, Mohammed. Messi this time. Okay, so to wag, to swing from side to side. To wag, a regular verb. Notice double G in the past or in the gerund. Yeah, to swing from side to side. Okay, let's look at the formality of this. The dog's tail was wagging. 5 in formality. No problem. He wagged his finger at me. He waved his finger at me. I guess 5 in formality as well. He's such a wag. 3.5 in formality. His waggish sense of humour. Maybe 4 in formality as well. To wag it from school, real slang, 3 in formality. There goes Messi and his wag, his girlfriend, 3 in formality. And is that all of them? I think I have a feeling. So yes. Okay, so to wag. To move backwards and forwards. Oh yes, I mentioned waggle, but I didn't actually say anything about it. He waggled his finger at me. He was waggling, the dog was waggling its tail. Yeah, to move with short, quick motions. I guess he was waggling his tooth as well. I think waggle has this idea of to wobble. Yeah, but the dog was waggling its tail. Yeah, a waggling motion to move from side to side. So there you go. Enough. If you, oh no, I haven't done the origin, have I? Okay, so let's see. This word wag comes from Proto-Germanic wagona, to wag, yeah, and maybe it comes through Old Norse vaga, to wag as well, or maybe through German as well. Um, there's also a verb war, yeah, meaning to move from side to side. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Don't wag a finger at me. Wag.